Nice one. Not like I've been practicing. Oh, that's really great, Phil. Next time, try using your diaphragm, like this. Or like this. Oh, okay. Let me try. How's that? Good, but watch us again.
Guys, knock it off!
Contest time! Boys, don't be rude in front of the Kingstons. They've been very... You call that a burp?
You guys might want to cover your ears and noses and get to safety.
In full effect.
Oh, you want to go?
Oh, please. I can do way better than that.
Seriously, that's just disgusting, but I can do better.
Burping contest? Cool! Come on, boys. Is that all you got? I'm just getting warmed up.
Man, she's good.